A baked chakli, which is equally tasty as a deep fried one, is what we will be trying today, dear friends. The ingredient list is given along with in the video. After addition of besan and rice flour and potato flour, we'll add all the spices and sesame seeds to this. The main ingredient, the unique ingredient in this is addition of 5 to 6 teaspoons of castor sugar. This gives a unique sweetness to this chakli and gives a special taste to this baked chakli. So I recommend that you do add apart from all the other spices. And the amount of oil can also be reduced to 1/4 cup, and a soft dough may be formed with addition of more amount of water. After that, just as we do in a chakli, we will swirl out the chaklis onto a baking sheet, and depending on the oven temperature, these have to be baked. I bake them at 150 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes on each side, and do turn them, and on each side you have to bake them at least for 5 minutes. And please do check the oven in between, because the temperature may vary in each oven. And similarly, put some peanuts on the baking sheet and add some oil to it and bake these as well. So the entire chakli with the peanuts is baked. So you can hear how crunchy they are. So this is how it has turned out, and yummy, and this guilt-free baked chakli can be had by anyone, any time of the day. So please do try out and do comment on how it turned out. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India and share all the recipes with your friends and family. Thank you.